All right.
Look at that. Look. Like, there goes my fishing for 20 minutes.
No way.
It does that like every cast.
What's it on?
It's on 4. It does it all the time. I don't know.
Okay. So anyways, today we're doing SLX DC versus Metanium DC. Dang, that looks good. Look at that. You can catch one while it's backlashed. I'm gonna catch a monster. Catch a monster while you're backlashed.
You're
Those wading boots?
Yeah. You're over my line.
That's okay. I'll pull it up over the top of it.
Probably stuck.
Okay, so the rod I have with this is a Deuce Echo, 6'8", I think. It's my jerkbait rod. It's moderate action. But today it's the only one I brought, so everything I use I'm throwing on it. That's okay. 6'8" is probably pretty good for this creek. Jack's rocking a St. Croix Mojo bass. 7 foot? 7 foot 1. Medium, heavy, fast, right? Gangsta. Oh, white with like blackish gray.
Oh.
Get him! No, he came back for it. Get him.
You got him.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
That's not even a bad one. 8-incher maybe?
Take that, Andy.
Andy's was bigger.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
Oh no, ow, I just got sticky. Chill, dude.
Switching my bait. Switch the bait.
I think we go up into the woods right there. And
Boom.
Then go through, and then get down there.
He just jumped right there, a little shad. Hold up, I want to get a cast over there because I'm going to catch one.
What kind of sunglasses are those?
Amphibious. Look, watch this.
They good? That's a very bad idea.
They float.
I think mine don't float.
My coasties don't float.
I got these though.
Oh yeah. Now I got big freaking wet drops in my eyes. Sneaky. What?
Oh, I've been here before. I know exactly where. Keep going.
You know where, this way?
There you go.
Out?
Yeah.
Chill.
Stepped on that ball.
Oh shoot, my bad. I should wear my freaking needle-proof boots.
Last year we came here.
Oh frick. These shoes have no grip on this crap.
I agree.
I don't. Oh.
Man, that's bad.
I don't grab that. That's poison right there. Oh frick.
Just walk. The dirt's not bad. You can walk in.
Shoot. Oh. Oh.
Okay.
I have no freaking grip. It's not none. Oh, that's a money cast right there. Oh, thump, thump, thump.
You got thumped?
I did.
Oh, I'm getting thumped too. I just got hit.
Get it.
Got it.
Dude, are you kidding? Oh, that's a nice one. Okay. That's a good one, dude. There you go. That's a pound and a halfer.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, it's a pound and a half
Holy
for sure.
crap.
Nice collars on that thing too. Not stressed at all. Okay, where's your phone?
No, get on here.
Okay, hold on. Let me grab it. Stay. You piece of crap. Why are you catching them all?
Oh no! What's up?
Oh, I know what I want to put on.
What?
Jig. Later. After I...
Catch anything out here.
Could catch a 10-pounder on this.
Dude, these, that's what I'm telling you, they're so easy to rig up. What are you stuck on?
I don't even know, dude. I don't even...
Oh no.
This is freaking weedless. I don't know how I'm getting stuck on anything. My line's pretty frayed. It's probably gonna break this time. What?
Oh.
Epic. What should I put on? Little jig? Little jig? Don't hook me. I'm putting it on right here. All right, we got the jig on now. All right, little jig. Little jig is gonna do some big damage. Oh yeah, it looks good in the water. Look at it.
This crawdad looks good.
Only one of them turns. All right.
Mine dies. My GoPro dies so fast. Doesn't your dad like love Z-Man?
Yeah, he's
What's
a,
the ones that he loves? They're like gooey.
yeah, it's a Z-Man. Dude, we set one out on our boat and it melted into the carpet. And it is the nastiest thing. Oh. Son of a freak.
I got one.
Hook him, hook him.
No, he spit it.
Dude, that was a big one to hit mine. I was
My rod was just laying in the water like this. I was just going, Grayson, I was just going like this. I just felt this little guy going, dude. And I looked and he's like, there. So I let him have it.
That didn't count though. You didn't land him.
That's crazy.
No.
Nah, that's
Yeah, it didn't count.
must have followed it in.
Dude, I was rolling. I rolled it right out of that shallow pocket back there, and he came up and crushed it. Yeah. Now keep pulling all the way to the tip.
Wait, you can do that?
Yeah, you didn't know that? It probably just happened on that cast.
It might have, yeah. I was gonna freaking undo the whole thing.
Did you get it?
I got it.
Okay.
The cast is fine. That was weird. Yeah, that was a muskie. It was long. It was skinny though.
20 inches?
Oh no, 30. I'd say easy. Maybe 20.
Ooh,
That one?
that's a good one.
That's a nice one. Holy crap, that's a nice one.
That's a good
Oh my god.
pound and a halfer.
Dude, that was
Come here, buddy.
It's about the same size as mine.
Hey.
Oh,
Quick release.
that's nice. Good job, dude.
Pound and a halfer. 1-1 or 1-2. You bring.
That's your first fish on a jig. Does that count?
First jig fish.
Does that count?
Yeah, I touched it.
Yeah, it counts. First big fish.
Probably could have just scooped him up, but I didn't want to get dorsaled like you did.
Yeah, I did. That first one. Oh,
Is there one there?
oh my god. I had one down.
I told you to
That
cast
was
there.
nice. I don't think I had one. Oh, yeah. Oh my, no. Something had it right there. Maybe the rock.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a nice,
one?
dude. That's a good one.
Holy.
Oh, that's a nice one right
Oh
there.
my god.
Dude, he's like deformed. Come here, buddy.
Make sure you get it. Make sure you get it.
Come here.
Come on. Dude.
There you go. Stop.
If you hold it, I get a picture, dude. That's a nice one.
2-2. Where's your? Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Can you guys see that? Let me show this. Oh yeah, you guys can see that. That's a nice one right there.
Here.
That's what I'm talking about. That's my whatever it's called. Dude, that is a long fish. Look at that.
That's definitely a nice one.
Here he goes. Gangsta.
Just fishing.
Yeah, we're fishing. We're catching them down here. Yeah, there's some nice fish in here. Dude, that's a nice one. That's a good one. That's every bit of a 2.5-er. Got him.
Oh, no.
You got him.
Dude, get a picture. Get your phone.
Are you gonna kill it?
No, I'm not gonna.
No, we're not gonna kill it.
It's gonna die.
No, it'll be all right.
Are you gonna eat it?
Nah, we don't eat.
I got hooked too. Holy cow, this is PB, dude.
PB?
Yeah? No, I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna let it go. Yeah.
Why?
He's gonna get even bigger.
Let him go and let him grow.
You're taking a picture of it. Cool.
That's a nice pig. All right.
One more. Yeah, thanks. I gotta get on this thing unhooked. It's really hooked.
How do you even catch that? All right. Well, I just got this one. That makes it 3-3. My GoPro's dead,
I
so
got a big bass,
In the
though.
water before it dies.
it's gonna be rough. Yeah, he's the bigger one. Oh, it'll be okay. It can survive a decent amount of time out of the water.
Might
Here, you want?
bite you.
No, they don't have teeth. You want to pet them?
No.
You sure? Just
That's a cool fish.
yeah, smallmouth bass. They're awesome.
Catfish, yeah.
How'd you like?
My
What
mom.
grade are you in? What grade are you going into?
Oh, aggressive.
Did you guys get school off early this year?
All right, I just caught another one. That makes the score 4-3 if I can land him.
Oh my god, that thing is huge.
We got a little crowd here. Oh my gosh, come here, buddy.
That's a nice one.
Dude, come here. All right, I got him.
God, are you guys keeping them? No. You just throw them back in. Hey, they don't immediately just throw it back in.
Yeah, that's right.
They just catch one and just throw it back in.
Here you go. That's a. I don't know how big that one is.
Catch that.
Pounder.
Maybe pounder.
What's the score?
4-3. I'm up. I'm up. Look at that guy. That one's pretty, dude. He's got a hook mark in his nose. That's not for me.
Nah, they've all got those little.
No, they got a hook. He's got a hook mark too. Here he goes.
Did you guys down here yesterday?
Nope.
Hayden, guys,
All right, guys. So.
oh my god. You scared the G movie.
All right. Well, me and Jack are out here.
Boy.
We're still keeping score. I have 6.
We made some friends.
He has 4. We got some epic people right here. I'm ready to hit the next hole, honestly.
I'm gonna beat you in one. I'll beat you in another.
Yeah, these guys are awesome.
Stepped on something there and it like came out of the water like a giant log.
Epic. Yeah. Anyways, 6-4. Tearing them up out here, honestly. Been here what, an hour and a half probably.
Yeah.
Good big. I don't know if you guys see a big laydown up there. Just pitching to the sides. What was your guys' names again? Kyron
Yes.
and Caden.
Yeah.
Hey.
How did you do?
How do you spell your name?
K-A-Y-D-E-N.
How about you?
K-Y-O-E-N.
Got it.
Oh, and we got 2 sisters. We got another brother and another sister.
Really?
Yep. One's 2, one's 3.
You remember my YouTube channel's name?
No. No.
You remember his?
No. Jake something.
Ah, almost. Anyway, scores 6-4 right now.
What do you
I'm
guys-
up. I'm winning.
What do you guys like do in your YouTube channel? Just fish?
Just fish, pretty much, yeah. He does some hunting stuff too.
Where's the most cool location you guys fish at?
I only have like, what, 1 video up on my YouTube channel?
You're a noob.
Hey. All right, this fish makes it 7-5. He's gone now. That makes it 7-5. Me, I'm up. All right, well, here's how it's going. It's 7-5 me, but SD card has 9 minutes left.
Okay, my call's at 7, right? Is it okay if I like do it in the car? No? So then you should probably start heading down here soon. Same time as Seahawks. I hooked a muskie. Yeah, it was huge.
It was big.
Yeah, I hooked it and it like it jumped and like spit the hook.
All right, so we made it out. Jack caught 5 or 6 or something like that. I caught 7. I won, but it was a good day for both of us. Really good day. My camera kept dying, so video might be kind of shoddy, but good day. All right, guys, so to recap the day, I caught 7, Jack caught 5. All of them were decent. I guess there were some dinks in there. Our biggest was probably right around 2 pounds. Our smallest was half a pound maybe. But with me catching 7, I did win the day. And I was using the SLX DC right here. This is a 12-pound beeline tack. And I caught most of my fish on a jig. Not this jig. I lost the jig that I caught him on. And Jack caught him on a crawl. So similar presentations. I don't think the reels had anything to do with our success today. I think it was just, I mean, the reels worked, they performed, but the fish were biting. So as long as your reel performed well enough to get it out there in the fish's face, I don't think that you would have missed bites or anything. I mean, you would have caught just as many with a $20 reel as long as it was working fine. So, I mean, maybe we had a little bit more accuracy, but I mean, these are nice reels. Both of these are nice reels. They're both pretty expensive. The Metanium's obviously a lot more. I believe it retails for right around $500, and this one retails for $180 or something like that. So, but all in all, both reels performed great, and it was a good day.